Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had a couple of requests to do a how to apply false eyelashes. So if you're interested in how I apply my false eyelashes and my little techniques that I have, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we are going to be using the dual eyelash glue in the dark tone. And then we're going to be using some tweezers to help with the application. Some scissors in case you need to be trimming your eyelashes to make sure they fit your eyelid properly. And then of course your favorite pair of lashes. These are my current favorite. And then some eyeliner. Any eyeliner will be good, but just make sure that it is a fine tip so that way you can get a precise line. And of course your favorite mascara, just to help you blend your lashes with the false lashes. And then an eyelash curler. My eyelashes are really straight, so this is why I have to curl them. So now we're going in with the eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a very thin line on my lash line, just so that way when I apply my false eyelashes, you won't really be able to see the band of the eyelash, because there's times where I have put my eyelashes on and you can totally see the band. So just make sure you line your lash line with eyeliner. And now you just take your favorite pair of lashes, and here I'm just measuring them to see if they fit my eyelid, and they are a little bit too big. So I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to trim off little pieces of the inner corner. And you always want to trim off little pieces. It's better to trim off a little bit than trim off too much and then just ruin your eyelash. So once you have the perfect fit, you're going to go in with your glue, and you want to apply a very thin layer of it, guys. You don't want to put too much because it's going to take so long to dry. So let it dry for like 25 to 30 seconds until it gets tacky. The key is it has to get tacky. If it doesn't get tacky before you put it on, it will just make it so hard for you to apply. So I am just popping them on the center of my eyelid and making sure that's secure first. And then I'm going on my outer corner and then my inner corner. And once I have them on like that, now I'm just going to go in with my finger and making sure I push them in to where I want it. Okay guys, so with this next eye, I am going to show you how difficult it can be when you don't give the glue at least 25 seconds for it to get tacky. You can kind of see how I'm having trouble trying to get it to stick on there, and it's kind of just coming off, sliding off. So that is why it is super important to let the glue get a little tacky at least for 25 seconds before you apply your eyelash on your lid. So for the last step, I am going to take the eyeliner and draw a very thin line from the inner corner of my eye all the way up to the lash band, just so that way you can't really tell where the eyelash band begins. Okay guys, so that is how I apply my lashes, and it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just practice till you get the hang of it. I have to say, these are my favorite pairs of lashes. They are from the brand Sister Slay Online. It is a family-owned company. This is the brand. Let me put it so you can see. They are super affordable. They are $9.99. And just look at them. They are gorgeous. They are in the style Good Jeans. So if you're interested, I will leave a link down below to their website so that way you can go and snatch you a pair. Thank y'all so much for watching, guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. And if there are any other videos that y'all would like to see, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. Thank you.